So I made this for my good friend. I'm not finished painting it yet. Some of it's not completely dry. Unfortunately, my computer's shut down, so won't be able to refine it anytime soon because I sent it off to H.Y.D.R.A. But I sanded it. I think it came out pretty good, almost wood-like. It's got a little surprise in the center. I'm not a professional or anything like that. Probably sand that down a little bit, make it shed a little bit better, but surprise. And a little finer brush work. I don't have very fine brushes. Could probably get in those crevices a little finer. But with what I got, I think it's pretty good.